Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Duo English. I'm Emily.
And I'm Ben. Today, we're talking about one of the most stressful real-life English situations.
Making a phone call.
Calling a restaurant. Calling a clinic. Calling customer service. You know what you want to say, but when someone answers, your mind suddenly goes blank.
And that is completely normal. On the phone, you can't see the other person's face. You can't use gestures. You only have sound.
So today, we'll make phone calls easier. You'll learn a simple phone call formula, rescue phrases for when you don't understand, and 3 realistic business calls you can copy.
We'll call a restaurant, a clinic, and a company's customer service line.
By the end, you'll have real phrases you can use the next time you need to make a call in English.
Let's get started. Before we jump into the calls, let's make this simple. Most business phone calls follow the same basic pattern.
Say hello, give your name, explain why you're calling, answer questions, confirm the important details, and end politely.
That is the whole formula.
Hello, this is Ben Carter calling. I'd like to make a reservation for 4 people this Friday at 7 p.m., please.
That one sentence gives the greeting, the name, and the reason for the call.
You'll hear this structure in all 3 calls today.
Now, before we make the calls, you need one very important tool: rescue phrases.
A rescue phrase is what you say when you miss something, when someone speaks too fast, or when you need to check a name, number, date, or time.
And remember, it is completely normal to ask someone to repeat something on a phone call. It does not make you sound bad. It makes you sound careful.
Here are the most useful phrases. Choose 1 or 2 that feel easy for you.
I'm sorry, could you repeat that, please? I'm sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you say that again, please?
These are polite and very common.
Could you speak a little slower, please?
A little slower sounds softer and more polite than talk slower.
Could you spell that for me, please?
Use this for names, street names, company names, or email addresses.
May I ask who's calling?
You may hear this when you call a business. It means they are asking for your name. You can answer with, "Sure, this is Ben Carter."
Let me just confirm that. So that's Friday at 9:30, correct?
And if the sound is bad, you can say this.
I'm sorry, the line is breaking up. Could you say that again?
The line is breaking up means the phone sound is not clear.
Keep these phrases near your phone. They are your safety net.
Now let's use them. Phone call number 1.
Ben is calling Riverside Kitchen to make a reservation for 4 people this Friday evening at 7 p.m.
But first, let's hear what a nervous, too short phone call sounds like.
Let's hear it.
Hi, reservation, Friday, 4 people.
I'm sorry, could I get a few more details?
7 o'clock. Name is Ben.
And your phone number?
I'll call back. Sorry, bye.
Okay, we have all been there.
No clear opening, no clear details.
So let's try again using the formula. Thank you for calling Riverside Kitchen. This is Sarah. How can I help you?
Hello, this is Ben Carter calling. I'd like to make a reservation, please.
Of course. What day would you like to come in?
This Friday evening, please.
Perfect. And how many people will that be?
There will be 4 of us.
Great. And what time were you thinking?
I was hoping for around 7 o'clock, if that's available.
Let me just check. Yes, 7 p.m. works perfectly. And can I get your name for the reservation?
Of course. My name is Ben Carter. That's B-E-N, Carter, C-A-R-T-E-R.
Thank you, Mr. Carter. And could I get a phone number in case we need to reach you?
Sure, it's 555-0192.
Could you repeat that? I just want to make sure I have it right.
Of course, that's 555-192.
Perfect. So just to confirm, a table for 4 this Friday at 7 p.m. under the name Ben Carter.
That's correct.
Wonderful. We'll look forward to seeing you. Have a lovely evening.
Thank you so much. You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye. That was much better. Ben started with one clear opening sentence. It gave the greeting, his name, and the reason for the call.
I also spelled my name and repeated my phone number in small groups. That makes names and numbers much easier to understand on the phone.
And the ending was simple and natural. Thank you so much. You too. Goodbye. Phone call number 2. This one is a little more personal.
And this is where rescue phrases become very useful.
Ben is calling West Side Medical Clinic to schedule a routine checkup. Listen for how he asks for repetition calmly. Good afternoon, West Side Medical Clinic. How can I assist you today?
Good afternoon. This is Ben Carter calling. I'd like to schedule an appointment for a routine checkup, please.
Of course. Let me look at our available times. We have an opening on Thursday the 12th at 2:15 in the afternoon, or Friday the 13th at 9:30 in the morning. Which would work better for you?
I'm sorry, could you repeat the times, please? I want to make sure I write them down correctly.
Of course. Thursday the 12th at 2:15 p.m. or Friday the 13th at 9:30 a.m.
Thank you. I'd prefer Friday the 13th at 9:30, please.
Perfect. May I ask who's calling?
Sure. This is Ben Carter.
Could you spell your last name for me?
Of course. Carter. C-A-R-T-E-R.
Thank you. And your date of birth?
June 3rd, 1988.
Great. And is this your first visit with us?
Yes, it is.
Okay. And could I get a callback number?
It's 555-0192.
Got it. Please bring a photo ID and your insurance card to your appointment.
I'm sorry, could you say that again, please? I want to make sure I bring everything I need.
Of course. Bring a photo ID, like a driver's license or passport, and your insurance card if you have one.
Perfect. So photo ID and insurance card. Got it.
That's right. So to confirm, your appointment is on Friday the 13th at 9:30 a.m. with Dr. Williams. The name on the appointment is Ben Carter.
That's correct. Thank you so much for your help.
Of course. We'll see you Friday. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye. That was really well handled. Ben asked for repetition, but he added a short reason. I want to make sure I write them down correctly. I want to make sure I bring everything I need.
That sounds careful and responsible. And after the receptionist repeated the information, I confirmed it simply. Photo ID and insurance card. Got it.
Got it means I understand. It sounds friendly and natural on a phone call. Now for phone call number 3. This is usually the one learners find the most stressful.
Customer service.
Ben ordered a lamp online from a company called Bright Home. It was supposed to arrive 3 days ago, but it still hasn't arrived.
This call has an automated menu, a transfer to another person, and a short hold. These are normal when you call a company in English.
Thank you for calling Bright Home Customer Service. For order questions, press 1. For returns and exchanges, press 2. For all other questions, press 3.
Order question. That's 1.
Bright Home Customer Service? This is Lisa speaking. How can I help you today?
Hi, Lisa. This is Ben Carter calling. I placed an order about a week ago. It was supposed to arrive 3 days ago, but I still haven't received it. Could you help me check the order?
Of course, I'd be happy to help. Could I get your order number?
Yes, it's BH44729.
Let me just read that back. BH44729?
That's correct.
Thank you. One moment while I check that. Could I also confirm the name on the order?
Yes, Ben Carter.
Okay, I can see your order here. It looks like your order is still on the way, but there has been a delay. I'm going to transfer you to our shipping team. They can give you more details. Would that be okay?
Of course, no problem.
I'll transfer you now. It may take just a moment. Please hold. Bright Home Shipping. This is Marcus. How can I help?
Hi, Marcus. I was just speaking with customer service about an order that hasn't arrived. The order number is BH44729 under Ben Carter.
Let me check that. Okay, I can see the delay here. We'll send a new one as soon as possible. You should receive a new confirmation email within 24 hours, and the item should arrive in 3 to 5 business days.
I'm sorry, could you repeat the timeline? Did you say 3 to 5 business days?
Yes, that's right. 3 to 5 business days from today.
Perfect. So just to confirm, you'll send a new item and I'll receive a confirmation email within 24 hours. Is that right?
Exactly right.
Wonderful. Thank you so much for your help, Marcus. I really appreciate it.
Of course. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Now that's everything. Thanks again. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
That was the most complex call, but Ben kept it organized.
After the transfer, I introduced myself again and gave the order number right away. I did not assume Marcus already knew everything.
And before ending the call, Ben confirmed the next step. Always confirm the next step before you say goodbye. Now, let's quickly talk about 4 common mistakes learners make on phone calls and what to say instead.
Mistake number 1 is starting without a complete opening. Some learners say, "I need reservation," or "reservation, Friday." The information is there, but it sounds incomplete.
A better opening is, "Hello, this is Ben Carter calling. I'd like to make a reservation for 4 people, please."
Mistake number 2 is saying "what" when you don't understand. "What" by itself can sound impatient on the phone.
Instead, you can say, "I'm sorry, could you repeat that, please?"
Mistake number 3 is saying "talk slower." That can sound like a command.
Instead, make it a polite question. "Could you speak a little slower, please?"
And when you feel nervous, slow yourself down too. Take one breath before the call and speak a little more slowly than usual.
Mistake number 4 is ending the call before you confirm the important details. Always check the date, time, name, number, or next step before you hang up.
You can say, "So just to confirm, that's Friday at 9:30 under the name Ben Carter." Or, "Just to confirm, I'll receive a confirmation email within 24 hours.
And then close politely. Thank you for your help. Have a great day. Goodbye. Before we close, here are 3 quick tips for your next phone call in English.
First, write your opening sentence before you call. "Hello, this is your name. I'm calling to your reason." That first sentence helps you start calmly.
Second, keep your rescue phrases near you. "I'm sorry, could you repeat that, please?" "Could you speak a little slower, please?"
Third, focus on the key details. You do not need to understand every word. Listen for the name, date, time, number, address, and next step.
So let's recap this in the simplest way.
To start the call, say, "Hello, this is Ben Carter calling. I'm calling to book an appointment," or "I'm calling about my order."
If someone asks your name, you may hear, "May I ask who's calling?" You can answer, "Sure, this is Ben Carter."
If you don't understand, say, "I'm sorry, could you repeat that, please?" Or, "I'm sorry, I didn't catch that."
If the sound is bad, say, "I'm sorry, the line is breaking up. Could you say that again?"
And before you end the call, say, "Let me just confirm that." Then close with, "Thank you for your help. Have a great day. Goodbye."
You do not need 100 phrases. You just need a few strong phrases you can use again and again.
And that is your complete guide to making a phone call in English: restaurant, clinic, and customer service.
Before you go, which call feels the most stressful for you?
A. Restaurant reservation. B. Clinic appointment. C. Customer service.
Tell us in the comments, and write one rescue phrase from today in the comments too. Writing it will help you remember it.
If this episode was helpful, please subscribe to Daily Duo English and turn on notifications so you never miss a new episode. We're your Daily Duo.
And your English-speaking buddies. See you next time.